Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I will show you a few autumn nails ideas, so grab a cup of your favorite warm drink and keep watching. And let's start. I prepare myself first a red fruit tea to warm up my work. Working on tips, and first I will apply base. I will apply the hybrid base of Stars Under Stars and dry it in the lamp. Second, I will use black color of Silcare Flexy number 60, which is black color, going in with one layer, dry it in the lamp, and I will do also a second layer and dry it in the lamp. Then I will apply an NTN top VELOUR top coat, which is like a matte top coat. And here, maybe who doesn't love matte top coat will scream, but there is a reason also why I do that, because I want to have like a not slippery surface to work. That's why I like to do that way. Next, I will use the Semilac Art Gel in 004, I think, which is this gold, and Semilac Multi-Tool, which I love it. And I will start to create a leaf. And when I finish with the leaf, I dry it in the lamp. I thought like that is like a little bit incomplete, and I decided to try to do something else with the gold, and in the end I ended up to basically doing a French with the gold. I had a little bit of dirt of the color in there, so I tried to remove it with another brush damping cleaner, but the gold pigment were really hard actually to remove, and in this case, because I have my top coat, was a little bit of a pain. So afterwards I actually remove it in another way, which is now with this cleaner, you know, with a pad with cleaner. After drying in the lamp, I took my cleaner pad and I just clean all over the surface, because also I want to remove the sticky layers from the gold, because I will not put any other top. And let's go with the second one. The second one I will proceed in the same way, but I'm going to do something different. So let's say that the second leaf is not really a masterpiece, but it's okay. It's going to be so tiny, and it's going to be so invisible that when you look at it, even if it's not perfect, it's okay. After drying in the lamp, I will use Clariza Jelly Effect in color Ginger and apply all over the surface. I also try to make this layer of this ginger not too thick, so I'm removing like the excess, because I don't want it to like completely cover, but just giving like a thin layer. Dry it in the lamp, and next I will apply crystal top, which is shiny top coat on the top. For this who doesn't love my top coat here, this is for you. So at this point I really think it is really effective, but I want to give her more dimensions, so I just pick one of the leaf, the smaller one, and I just go in again with the gold to give it basically these more layers and dimensions. I will dry it in the lamp, and when I'm done I will basically clean everything because I want to remove the sticky layers of the gold. And here we go, my two little pretty autumn nails ideas. I absolutely actually like them a lot, and well, a little regret that I didn't make all the set, but there was just something that I sit down and try it, and it totally came as improvisation, so I really didn't know what I was doing. I just know that I want to do a leaf, so.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, which is a like. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and you like my content. Write me something in the comment down below if it's your pleasure, and I really would love to chat with you. And also, if you watched my first Halloween nails video, you know what I'm talking about. You can still send to this email address here, which is written down below, your Halloween nails work, and I will show them in the next videos. And thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!